Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a border on the button when mouse over on it. So for example, when someone mouse over on this button, then it will have a border. So let's see how it works. Just click edit with Elementor. So here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. After that we will be able to edit our website. So let's wait for a few seconds. Now scroll down and here you can see we have various buttons in the sections. Let's scroll down and here you can see just we can take this button as example. Now go to style tab and now here you can see when we mouse over then nothing happens. Just I want to add a border when someone mouse over on it. So let's go to button style. And after that here you can see, so let's go to border and on the hover. Now let's add border solid and just for example we can add a width 10. Now we can add border color black. So let's see how it works. That's great. Here you can see it's working fine. In this way you can add a border on the button on hover.